Hey, what is going on everybody? Quick note before we start the tutorial, just wanted to say that we are officially on Patreon now, so you can support us directly, have access to our upcoming videos, early access obviously, live Q&A with me. I'll be able to help you personally with the tutorials and the screen stuff. So be sure to check it out. Also, you can have access to our Discord, which is obviously for a limited time. I'll be having the link in the description box below, so just be sure to check it out if you use Discord, because I'm trying to build a community here. So this is really helpful for me. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so the first things first. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the Wi-Fi connection. Obviously, I'm going to show you how you can screen mirror your iPhone, specifically iPhone 12, to your TV, as the title suggests, obviously. So download an app called Replica. It's a free app. I'll be having the link in the description down below, so definitely check it out. Okay, so I've done this before. I've downloaded it before. I'm not going to do it again. I can't, obviously. So as long as you're using it doesn't matter what iOS or iPhone you're using, as long as it supports Replica and Wi-Fi. So in my case, as I said before, this is an iPhone 12 tutorial, so I'm using a 12 Pro. Now let's just jump to your TV. Now in my case, I am using a TCL Android TV. Roku, I think this is a lot of people call it, but nonetheless. So just make sure your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi connection. This is really important. It has to be the same Wi-Fi connection as your iPhone is. So just go to the settings, just simple. By the way, if you are worried about having non-Android TV, I highly suggest wait for my tutorial, or you can hit me on Patreon, because the new tutorials will be uploaded early on Patreon. So alright, back to tutorial now. Once your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi connection, and that's pretty much it. Also, you can use mobile hotspot too. I'll be also having that tutorial on Patreon as well as YouTube, obviously, but it takes time. Now, once the TV is connected to the Wi-Fi connection, let's just jump to your iPhone. Really simple, really easy. Nothing, not that hard. Okay, now before we do this, have to make sure that your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi connection as your TV is. Now, as I said before, if you don't have a Wi-Fi access, you can also use the mobile hotspot on the top right corner, as you can see, but I clicked on Wi-Fi instead. Okay, I'm talking too fast. even I know that. Okay, now once the iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi connection as your TV is, let's just fire up the Replica app. Okay, so once you open the app, you might see a few ads, I think. By the way, it might ask you to buy it, but there is a close icon in the top right corner, as you can see. Oh, that's so little. Yeah, there's a little close icon at the bottom. Once you click on it, there you go. Just give access, and there you have it. It is showing me that I have a rizTCL, which I named my TV obviously in the settings, but it might be different for you. So there you go. If you don't find the TV here, I highly suggest join my Discord. I'll be able to help you directly on Discord, if you have Discord obviously. So once you find your TV in the settings, just click on it, and once you click on it, it will ask you to broadcast. Yep, there you go. And once you click on start broadcasting, it takes 3, 2, 1, voila, there you go. Okay, obviously you have to give access to Bluetooth for speakers and stuff, but there you go. Pretty easy, right? I'll also show you at the end of the video how to close this, because once even if you close the app, the screen mirroring itself will not stop. So yeah, this is really great for teaching purposes, maybe, or even enjoying your iPhone content on your big TV. This is really good. So that's pretty much it for me. Enjoy the music. Also hit me up on Patreon. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.